Hi everyone, welcome back to Be Beautiful. My name is Archana, and if you're new to my channel, please take a moment to subscribe and then let's get right into the video. So today's video is about this 2-in-1 eyeliner cum mascara combo from Blue Heaven. This is something that I'm using for the very first time and I haven't used any such product before. So they are saying that there is a 7.5 ml mascara in this and a 2.5 ml eyeliner. This is smudge proof, extra black, waterproof, so if this works then you don't need to carry two tubes of one of mascara, one of eyeliner, and this will really be very travel friendly. So this is how it looks. So one side of it has a mascara and the other side has an eyeliner. So this side is the eyeliner and this side is the mascara. So I'm just very okay. I was very curious to see how did they fit in the bottles, like the brushes and everything. I thought this middle one would be the mascara or something, and then I didn't know where the liner would be, but this is how it opens. So in the center there are brushes on either side, and these two sides are what contain the eyeliner and mascara. So let's start with the liner first. So I've zoomed you guys in and let's start with the application. I'm starting with the eyeliner first, and I don't know how convenient this is going to be with a lot of heavy thing instead of a brush. The brush is actually not very useful, I feel, but let me just try. The eyeliner is very liquidy and I am going to have a trouble with this bulky kind of a brush, but let's see. It's already difficult, I feel. I normally don't close my eyes while doing liner, but this liner is very liquidy. Alright, so there's the liner. A lot of it is already on my lashes, but that's not something that I'm not used to. It generally happens when the eyeliners are liquidy. They tend to deposit themselves in my lashes. I am not very sure of the brush. The brush is a little flimsy, so if you're not used to applying liquid liners, it might be a little difficult for you. So that is something to keep in mind. Let's see the other side. This side is better for me generally. This side was better. So this side was way better because I am a right-handed person, so I normally can do the liner better on this eye than on this eye, but it was not very difficult for me because I'm used to applying liquid eyeliners. But if you're somebody who is just starting off, I don't think this type of liquidy liner is for you. Maybe you can just buy it and try your hand at it, because this is not very expensive. Let me just check how much this was for. This is 135 rupees. So if you just want to try your hand at liquid eyeliners, you can purchase this because it's not very expensive, and plus you get a mascara also. Let us test the mascara on the other side. The mascara also looks very, very liquidy. At the end of the brush you can see there's a lot of like product deposited. I don't know how much there is on the brush itself, but let's just find out. Okay, I just shook the tube, and from the eyeliner side this is what has leaked, and it's still leaking. So you need to take care of it, otherwise your entire makeup can go for a toss. So I don't think it's a good idea to shake the tube. Let's try this. Guys, this eyeliner side is leaking pretty bad, so I'm just gonna hold it like this. This was such a bad idea, I feel. This was really a bad idea. Not on a good makeup day. Everything else was going so well, and then this happened. So my eye makeup was really good today, and I'm just regretting testing this out today. So this is not a good idea at all. The eyeliner side is still leaking. I don't recommend this product at all. I am done with this already. So this is not at all a good idea. But even if you think that this is a good idea for traveling, it is not, because if this leaks in your bag, then everything else that you've kept with this goes for a toss. I do not recommend this. You can see what has happened with my eye makeup. I have to fix that, and this 2-in-1 eyeliner plus mascara is a strict and complete no from my side. In my opinion, this is a complete waste of money, even though it doesn't cost a lot. Save your money, buy something else with that money, but please do not invest in this. So that is my final thought on this one. Although the concept of having a mascara and eyeliner in one tube was really very appealing, but this is something that is not working out. Don't waste your money on this. It's not like I don't like Blue Heaven products. There are other products which I have purchased from Nykaa. You must have seen my recent haul video. I will link it down below if you haven't. And I have tested out other products of Blue Heaven and I have ended up liking them. But this is something that I am not going to use again. So that's my opinion. If it works for you, then it's really, really good. But this has not worked for me and it's leaking, so I'm just going to set that aside. I hope you guys liked this video. Do give a thumbs up if you did, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and ring the bell so that you get notifications for all my future videos. Comment in the section below to let me know if this has worked for you. Thank you so much for being here and watching this entire video. Have a great day and a wonderful week ahead, and I will see you again very, very soon in another cruelty free video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.